ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي الأحسن. Invite all to the ways of thy Lord with wisdom and with beautiful preaching, and debate with them in the best of manners.
Ahmed Deedat explains how the Bible has been
You're
changed.
asking me when the Bible was changed. The Bible is being changed by the minute. By the minute. You see? You're forcing me to go to my bag now. My bag of tricks. Bible. I said the Bible is being changed by the minute. You see, this is the Roman Catholic version of the Bible. It has got 73 books inside. It's a library, an encyclopedia of 73 books. This one here is the one that Jimmy Swaggart swears by. This is the one. When you see him on TV, when he's doing like this, excuse me, when you see him doing this, it is this Bible. Same. King James Version. This King James Version has 66 books. The 7 in the Roman Catholic version are now thrown out. He said at that debate, he said those 7 books are spurious. Spurious. So I said that means it's not the word of God. If there are 7 spurious books inside, in the Roman Catholic said this is not the word of God. So he's got to nod his head. It's not the word of God. So this is. He says yes, this is. So I said, but you know, there is this Bible here called the RSV, Revised Standard Version, which is claimed to be the most up-to-date Bible, going back to the most ancient manuscripts. And there are things that you write in your books, quotations from here, which are now thrown out as fabrications in this one. Thrown out by who? By 32 scholars of the highest eminence, backed by 50 cooperating denominations. They threw them out as adulteration. I gave examples. You can get the tape. Examples what he quotes, and those quotations are not here. Fabrications. Here. Then what is taken out here, they put it back in here. Look, same identical books by the same printers. Can you see any difference? Except this is shining a little more because it's newer. What was in here, what they took out from here, they put it back inside here. It's a game. It's a game that's going on continuously. So when it was changed, I said they're changing by the minute. You can't keep pace with them. That other book, you know, the Bible I found away, yes, I think I skipped it. You see that name Allah. In the subsequent Scofield Bibles, the word Allah is taken out. It says El, Elah, Elohim, Allah. In the subsequent Scofield Bibles, the word Allah is not there anymore. Look, it's by the minute. You're changing by the minute. You can't keep pace with these people.